Okurijirira hanjendero he yashohozibwe Minisitiri y'ebyamagara unity y'abaana aba eshemeye kuba n'abashaho mukaga kandi obwa hati n'abashaho babiri bonka kandi egi eshemeye kuba n'ebitanda birukika 40 konko obwa hati n'ebitanda 18 ekyabashaho bari kugira ngo kicyumbagize obuhereza.
Abashaho ba doctors tukabire twetaga abashaho kamukaga kureberera abana konko obwa hati twina abashaho babiri bonka.
On a daily basis, we see about 4 prematures every day being admitted here. Yes, and this sometimes the numbers can be bigger. There are times when we can receive up to 7 preterm babies in a day.
Dr. Olive Kenema omushaho w'abaana Eirwariro yagira ngu unity egi neba n'abaana barikurenga 40 kandi buri mwana ashemeye kuba n'omunansi.
Tanda kurebera abana batahikire omu guidelines nitura unity yitu netaga ibitanda nka 40.
Okuzaara abana abatahikire enamba ziriyo nizeyonjera, so ntiba twine kumanya bintu kinka abanansi bishomero kuba tukola abana aba.
Icyo yagara najangwa abana aba nibakira kugira obuzibu bwo kujwa munongo mu bwongo ngu nahabwe ekyo nibaba nibetaga kureberwa kwa mani. Dr. Kumbakumba mukuru w'itaje ry'abana Eirwariro rya Mbarara yajanga buri mwaka nibakira abana barikurenga mu 10 ngukonko muri yabo abana aba batereberirwe je nibahendera bamwe bafire.
Abatiyansi ya kiro ibulnechweka kongo kuchira munonga bakoze abatiyansi ya kirimba abana abakobwa bari bace munonga batakwasa kwireberera kutagata so abone tuza kutunga umbwire bucyo misho capacity ningo kwebasa kubareberera umwanya uri kwemarira twaba twembe Eirwariro ryabo hanyuma ya wodije atotodi tukumanya kaburiro nkatoto wodi.
Omugandi abantu mu district ya Kasese bachera kuyonje emyanya yabo ebyona byagambo habayo kuyonje town ya Kasese wizo bari yanyencha kare kuza kubaho kwigurirwa rya St Mary's Hospital erikushanga mu town ya Kasese.
Others even getting perforation on the intestines, which is a complication of typhoid.
Example to our young people, because we don't only groom them to pass exams but also to be good citizens, mind about their environment.
Florence Ithungo, director w'ekitongole kya Ripple Foundation, we nagira ngu abantu bona bashire kuba becumi na munonga abakazi.
Because there is no way you can feed your children in a dirty environment. You can't cook from a dirty kitchen. The kitchen has to be clean.
At least if each and everybody would be participating daily to make sure that where he's selling his things, that place is clean, or to put there at least a dustbin.
We are moving from one step to another. We have climbed another ladder, another step. As you can see the beauty of this hospital. Yes. Actually, someone was making a fun and was like, I wish I fell sick and came here.
Because we want to make it very stringent. Littering garbage anyhow, we want to see how we can enforce using law. So that when we get hold of you, we put you into courts of law.
Aha mukoro gwo kwigurirwa reri mukuru w'ihanga natekateka kuba mugenyi mukuru abwa TV West and Adolf Ayureka na Gilbert Muhanguzi.